Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a quick tips tutorial on how to add your phone screen onto OBS or onto your computer in general so you can record it with your OBS. If you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate that. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is head to this website called Let's View. And just go ahead and download it on your phone and download it on your computer. Open it on both, and then if you as long as you're on the same network, then you can just go ahead and do it instantly. But if you're not, then there should just be a little QR code, and then once you enter that in, it'll work. And as you see, you got your phone screen up there. And then now if you want to record it with your OBS, you can just set it to your phone's full screen on your computer and then just record in your OBS, and then just do whatever it is that you need to do on your phone. And then, yeah, you'll be recording on your OBS, and you've added your phone to your OBS. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them down below. But other than that, have a wonderful day. Thank you.